expose them. You can feel kind of it pops and crunches a little bit over this area here. Yeah. Like I said, it never hurts too much. Maybe just like, okay, go ahead and stretch them. The gentler side.
Yeah, that's what I was about to tell you. So,
Yep. Hold on. Got it. Perfect. How's that feel?
great.
Smart about it is I can't leverage your hip sockets to adjust you because of the hip replacements.
Correct.
Yeah. Got it. Oh yeah. And I swear I hit cross there and lift up. Let's go down there. Oh, that was great. Oh, those are great moves.